Yo guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks back with another sneaker video. I have a brand new pickup from Nike. I was able to pick these up directly off Nike on release day, which they released two different pairs of shoes that I really wanted. But luckily they sent me a reserve for the same pair just a few days before. So I only had to really worry about this one. But as you guys know, I've been on a tear with the 4%. I really love them and I just love the shoe, like, pretty much. That's all I can really say about it. It's super comfortable and it's probably the best thing I've ever put on my feet. So this one here is the Hyper Royal colorway, which I'll show you the tag right there. I went 11.5 like I did on the orange pair and on the Vast Gray pair. I just feel 11.5 is a little bit better fit than the OG pair I have that's a 12. Now these I already wore. I wore them out to eat for my birthday. But these are super nice. I love the blue color. I don't have any like really blue shoes like this in Nike. I do have the Mastermind EQTs that are Adidas, but when it comes Nike wise, I don't have any like royal blue shoes. But these are super dope. I really do love these. As you see, it's pretty standard, just your regular Vaporfly 4%. There's not really much I can say. It's just all blue. You do get some black detailing, like some piping going down right here. But that's pretty much it. Outsole is pretty much the same. The only one with a different outsole so far is the Vast Gray. It has like a navy blue outsole. This one's black, just like all the other ones. And you have your exposed foam right here in the white. The 4% and the Vapor Max is definitely like my favorite shoe so far. The two Nikes that are really killing it out there. Ultra Boost, I'm still rocking a few here and there, but I sold most of them and started just going more Nike stuff lately. I know like usually I'll do that. I'll kind of like sell a bunch of one thing and start buying a lot of another. But it seems like I haven't really been slowing down on that one. So pretty excited that they're pushing out more colorways. I'm still trying to get that Blue Fox, the dark one, but we'll see how that goes. Another cool thing is the laces are not solid. They're blue with like white speckling through it, which is really cool. It just kind of adds like a little bit of a pop to it. It does have that big white swoosh on the outsides, and then the little one right here. But I mean, like I said, overall it's pretty much just all blue. So there is some different color pops on it, which is really cool. And you do get your measured in the lab, verified with medals and records on the bottom right there, which is what they did after they released the initial two. Once they started winning with the shoe, they started putting that on there, which I thought was cool. And as you can see, it's already creased up pretty bad, but that's how they just come. I really didn't do too much walking in these. We just went out to dinner and stuff, but they really just come creased like this. It's kind of a big deal if you're into it for looks, but for me, it's all comfort, and I really don't mind. But that is going to be it for this one. Just another Vaporfly 4% added to the collection. Like I said, I love this shoe. This is my fourth pair. I want to make it 5 and get that other one, but the resale prices on it are kind of crazy. So if you're able to pick one up for retail, I highly suggest doing it. Even if you don't like it, you can always return it. But I can pretty much guarantee you won't be returning these. Okay, but that is it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. And I'll catch you guys next time.